सो गाइज़, आज हम लोग जाने वाले हैं अभी बेस्ट बाय एंड अपना लैपटॉप ख़रीदने वाले हैं वहाँ पे। और मेरे साथ स्पर्श है, ये मुझे ड्राइव करके लेके जा रहा है। बट इसकी भी स्टोरी बहुत अमेजिंग है। 19 साल का है एंड अपनी गाड़ी ले ली है इसने बंदे ने। एंड मैं 27 का हूँ एंड या लिफ्ट लेनी पड़ रही है। But anyways, I will get him on this channel very soon, just to let you all know, like, you know, how people work hard here and how they progress. And truly inspire किया है बंदे ने मुझे काफ़ी कि you can actually work, you know, work, study and earn a good money and pay off your own fees and everything. So say hi Sparsh.
Hey guys.
बहुत फोकस्ड है, ड्राइविंग कर रहा है इसलिए. बट yes, I'll try to get him on the channel very soon. And yes, let's see that I get my laptop today or not, because I've been waiting for a very long time for this and finally I want a laptop today. So yes, I hope I get it. As you guys know, like, I was without a laptop for a very long time, and I think so for 2 weeks I was struggling with my laptop. I tried to take laptops from my friends and things, but nothing worked out. And finally I'm here at Best Buy and I'm gonna buy this laptop, and soon I will be sharing the details and everything with you guys, so stay tuned to my channel. Here's the laptop that I'm going to buy today. It's Asus G17 17-inch laptop, and all the specs and all the details I will be sharing very soon. And I think so in this video only I'll include all the details and everything that I got with this laptop, and all the details about the specs and about the performance of this laptop. Here it is guys, लैपटॉप ले लिया है. टोटल कॉस्ट मुझे पड़ा है $2150 का. थोड़ा सा $1-2 कम होगा, बट $2150 का मुझे मिला है ये लैपटॉप विद टैक्सेस. दिस कॉस्टिंग वॉज अराउंड 1899 एंड दिस हैज़ अ कॉस्ट प्रोटेक्शन ऑल्सो. सो ऑल दी पीपल हु आर सेइंग भाई ब्लैक फ्राइडे के लिए वेट कर लेता, आई एक्चुअली नीडेड इट. और प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन में ये होता है कि अगर ब्लैक फ्राइडे पे, like, if the cost goes below 1900, then whatever the difference is, I can go to the store with the bill and they will give me the money back, like whatever the difference is. Like अगर वो $200 सस्ता हो जाता है, या फिर if it's getting, you know, $300 cheaper, I will get the money back. So yeah, I'm protected that way. And let's see, I have actually seen a really great PC over there, so I was thinking, like, why not get a PC rather than getting this. But with PC I'm only getting the cabinet, I'm not getting the monitor, I'm not getting the mouse, I'm not getting the keyboard. So that is all additional expenses, and that expenses would cost me at least $300. So I don't wanted to do that right now. I just wanted a laptop that is convenient for me and I can take my workstation anywhere and I can work anywhere. So that was very important for me. So yeah, laptop is a good deal, but I will think about that PC too, but not now, later. And I'll go home right now and I will try to give you a good review about this laptop. And yeah, see you at home. Bye bye. So guys, finally the laptop is here, and I'm trying to do the unboxing of it. Let's see. And here is my 17-inch laptop, and let's see what all we have along with it. Okay. Manual. So here we have the charger, and that's it. Nothing else. So anyways, let's keep it aside and open this baby up. Let's power it up. Om Namah Shivaya. So here it goes. Damn! Look at the lights. You should see this. Yeah. Man. Damn. So guys, it has an RGB light under it and full RGB keyboard, the gaming keyboard, and yeah, it's the first boot up of my laptop. It's a damn expensive one, but I think so it is worth it. So, for the people who don't know the configuration of this, it is Ryzen 7 5th generation with 16 GB RAM, and it has 3060 RTX in it and 1 TB of SSD. This laptop I got for $2,146 and with price protection. I will dig into this laptop, I'll set it up, and I'll do a proper review of all the architectural softwares that I use from, like, especially for Lumion, then Revit, and then Naviswork. I'll just try to get it to the max potential, and I will let you guys know like how it performs, and I'll show you the benchmark for Revit and Lumion. So see you in a bit. So guys, I have completed the entire setup of this laptop, and I am gonna test Lumion on it. Right now I have downloaded Lumion 11.5 and it is working properly. But guys, Lumion is a power hungry software and it annoys me so much that I've got this laptop. I thought now the configuration or the benchmark would go till 100%. It hasn't, and that is very annoying for me. But yeah, let's see how the benchmark is going on. Like, I'll just rerun the benchmark and I'll show you the basic sample of how the interface of new Lumion is. So without any delays, let's see the benchmark. So guys, the benchmark is in progress, and look at this here. Look at this. Like, this is so annoying. Like, everything is up to the mark, and the system memory, that is your RAM, that is not up to the mark. It needs more than 16 GB RAM to get out of that, and the benchmark rating is 92%. I don't like that. I wanted it to be 100%. But in Lumion 10, it is 100%. I'll just show you a basic sample thing that is there already loaded in Lumion. And let's see how the result is and how smoothly it can run the entire like whole scenario. I'm loading the most heaviest scenario and the latest scenario that Lumion 11 has uploaded into their software. It's taking time, but oh yeah, it's on. And the shadows, the textures, the roads, okay, they're looking pretty good. Let's roam around and see how smoothly it can finish. Okay, it's doing pretty well, and I like the reflections and the shadows. I'm actually screen recording. This might not look very amazing to you all, but actually it is quite nice. The textures and the depth, the stones on the road pathways, the reflection on the car. Uh, it's pretty nice. I'll research more on this and, like, how things are in Lumion. They haven't placed people nicely. I think so. They are a bit up in the air, but yeah, the cycle is in the air. The restaurant looks good. Okay. I wish, like, the quality of this screen recording was better. I'll try to record it again if you guys want me to. But overall, this is quite impressive and it looks quite good. And let me know, how do you like the performance and how do you like the total interface of Lumion 11? So guys, this is how Lumion 11.5 performs on Asus G17 laptop with 3060 6GB graphic card and 16GB RAM with Ryzen 7 5th generation processor. I think so it should have been like 100%, but it is 100% in Lumion 10.3.2. I didn't test on any other version of Lumion, but yeah, on 11 it's 92%. I wish it was more, but yeah, in future let's see, I can update the RAM or like upgrade the RAM, then it might be 100%. But I think so other things are running pretty well, and all the softwares that I have tried, like I have tried Revit, I have tried SketchUp and things. So yeah, there wasn't any issue in that. And in Lumion 2 it is working just fine. I will render few views and few videos, and then I can say like how much time it is taking to render a video or something like that. So stay tuned to my channel and keep supporting Aki Vlogs. I will try to review the other laptop also. So my friend has gotten another laptop which has AMD graphic card. It has 6800M graphic card. That is a very powerful graphic card. I think so it's 12 GB, and it performs on par with 3070. So I will try to review his laptop and on the same Lumion 11.5. So stay tuned and keep supporting Aki Vlogs. Take care of yourself guys. See you soon. Bye bye.